oil filter. You have to change that and put a new one. Alright, I'm gonna do what I can, but I want to make the vehicle so I can do as much. So remember, drain the oil, change the oil filter. So right now this is gonna be the new oil filter. I'm gonna replace this one, the back iron piece. To take out, lift this. Take out the whole air filter, which is this. It's very dirty, as you can see. You know. Now we're gonna give it a new air filter. 4 3/4 quart. You maybe need a half a quart more, but that's how you do it. If it's like this, said had, like if it said had, you gotta put at least half quart more, or maybe 1 quart, okay?